Good morning, everyone. This is the call of the calendar for the November 17th, 2021 preliminary hearing calendar. Position one is D'Angelo Barlow.
State's ready.
And Judge, that's going to be a drug court waiver.
Okay. Position five is Michael Barron.
State's ready.
Judge, that's going to be a bond waiver.
Okay. Position nine is Khalil Chavez or Chavis.
The state's
Good
ready.
morning. Good morning, Judge. I'd like to pre-try that with the state, please.
Okay. Now, this murder, I have position 10, Justice Davis's murder, but that's going to be with the Superior Court, correct?
No, the prelim, the actual preliminary hearing can be heard by Your Honor.
Okay.
It's just that if there is a motion for bond, that'll be heard in Superior Court.
Okay. And while we're on that subject, do you know where I could get a copy of the presiding judges, their calendars, or who's going to be the presiding judge? Because when I'm doing first appearance, and I don't know, I don't have a date to put down.
I have a copy of it. I will, when I get a moment, I'll scan it and email it.
Okay, it's not urgent.
Okay.
But just at
I'll
some
send it
point
to
in
you.
time. Thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
position 10 is Justice Davis.
The state's ready.
That'll be a hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. Position 17 is Noel Doye or Doe or Doye.
That was a consent bond done yesterday.
Okay. Position 19 is Antoine Goodwin.
State's ready.
I'd like to pre-try that with the state as well, sir.
Okay. Position 20 is Joshua Jarbo.
Your Honor, if this case cannot be worked out, we would ask that it be rescheduled. The officer is in training and doesn't return until November 22nd to work.
Okay.
Your Honor, when I went to visit Mr. Jarbo, he advised that Steve Fry is his attorney.
Okay.
Mr. Fry on Zoom.
Okay. So it looks like that's going to possibly end up being rescheduled. More than likely,
More than likely.
unless Mr. Fry comes in. Position 28 is Stefan Kelly.
State's ready.
Judge, Mr. Kelly was in medical when I went to see him. He is, so I haven't spoken to him yet. If the court could hold, and I'll pre-try with the state and I'll speak with Mr. Kelly.
Okay. Position 30 is Victor Meja Nunez.
State's ready.
And Judge, he did not appear for my jail visit. I did request an interpreter. I'm not certain if he needs one, so I need to pre-try with him this morning.
Okay. If he's the person that I remember from
He is, Judge. from yesterday.
first appearance, I don't think he needs an interpreter. I
Okay,
think he spoke English.
okay. Thank you.
And I'm sorry, Ms. Pleasant, what was your announcement again?
A pre-try with my
Okay.
client.
Position 31 is Junta Tunstall.
Judge, I just need to pre-try this with the state.
And the state's ready.
Okay.
And Judge, I also, I don't know if the courts had it on the calendar, I had a Daquan Thorpe on my calendar.
I don't have Mr. Thorpe on my calendar.
Ms. Freeman, you had previously double checked for me, and showed that he had been released.
Oh, okay, that's right. Okay, I apologize.
No
And
problem.
then I also had on my calendar, DeAndre Greer. It was a continuance from, it was continued from November 3rd.
Okay.
And that client is represented by LaToya Hutchinson. He hired.
LaToya Hutchinson.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
And so Judge, it may have been continued for him to get his own attorney.
Okay. So it is what I recall from Monday is those cases that have, well, the one case that had been continued with the 3 co-defendants apparently didn't make it onto the calendar. So that's something that we're going to have to figure out on our side about why that's happening.
Referring to Mr. Freeman?
I'm sorry?
Is that the Freeman case, Frederick Freeman?
No.
Yes, the 3 from
Oh, yes,
Monday.
on Monday, uh-huh.
So I thought that was put on the December 16th.
Yes, no, what I was saying is that it appears this Mr. Greer
Okay.
was a case that was apparently
similar.
continued,
Okay.
but it didn't make it to this calendar.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this morning, I thought Justin Richmond.
He's the last one. He was the one that I was just about to call his name.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Justin Richmond.
And the state's ready.
And that'll be a hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, so that's the last name on the calendar that I have. Is there any other by anybody else?
No, that's all I have. And Judge, on the Greer case, you want to reset that one since he has a private attorney?
Let's
how do you-
let's reset that to was it the 8th that we were setting the cases, December 8th? I mean, depending on availability of the officer.
Right, I will double check with the officer to see if he's available for the 8th and let the court know.
Okay. Ms. Bermudez. Oh, where did she go? Oh, there you go.
Judge, good morning, everyone.
How are you doing today?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing well. So, Ms. Pleasant, do we have Ms. Bermudez here for Mr. Meja Nunez?
Yes, Judge. Again, since he was not brought over, I didn't know if he spoke English or not. So I requested her out of abundance of caution.
No problem. Do you want me to set that up as the first pretrial with you at the jail?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. All right. Now
And
we're
put the public defenders in with me as well.